Airplanes are made up of hundreds, even thousands of parts, from the simplest pieces of wood and fabric to newly designed composite airframes to the most sophisticated of electrical components. Planes come in all shapes and sizes, but they all share the same basic design components. The basic components of any airplane are the fuselage, the wings, the empennage, the landing gear, and the power unit. The fuselage houses the cabin cockpit to hold the pilots, passengers, and cargo. It is considered to be the central component of the aircraft, since all the other components are attached to it. Most airplanes manufactured today use something called semi-monocoque construction. This means that underneath the skin of the airplane, there are a series of bulkheads and other supports that help hold the airplane. The wings of an aircraft generate lift as air flows around them. The wings are shaped to maximize the amount of lift they produce. The wings can be attached at the top, midway, or at the bottom of the fuselage. They also carry the fuel for the aircraft. The empennage, derived from a French word, is commonly referred to as the tail section of the aircraft. It consists of two important surfaces, the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. These stabilizers are surfaces on the tail that help keep the airplane under control while flying through the air. Beneath the fuselage sits the landing gear, also known as the undercarriage. This structure is used to support the aircraft while on the ground. Finally, there is the power plant, which in layman's term is known as the engine. Airplanes can have one engine called a single-engine airplane, or have multiple engines called multi-engine airplanes. Airplane engines are simpler than car engines. The most basic of reciprocating engines on airplanes are not computer-controlled, are not liquid-cooled, and are not even fuel-injected. With reciprocating engines also comes the requirement of a propeller. Just as there are different engine configurations, there are also different types of propellers. These propellers can range from the simplest two-bladed propeller made of a solid piece of wood to a complicated multi-blade propeller with additional built-in features. These features can include the ability to shed off ice, or even to change the blade angle during flight. The rotating of the blades is similar in purpose to a car's transmission. Those are the major components that make up an airplane.